Would you like your profile picture to look like this, or this, or this, or that, and this? Well, if that's the case, make sure to watch this video because I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use to make your picture look like that in under 5 seconds. I'm not over exaggerating. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. This is the website that you have to go to. As I promised in the title, you don't need to go to Photoshop. All you need to do is go to this website. The link will be in the description. Click on that circle where you see the plus sign. Once you upload your picture, it's going to give you a bunch of different options. It removed the background of my original picture and it created a whole new background with nice imagery. Once your picture is uploaded, the first thing I want you to check is your positioning. To check your positioning, just click on that pencil icon where it says new. You can rotate it. After the rotation, you could actually scale the picture, meaning you could make the picture look bigger, smaller. If you don't like the background color that they're showing you, you could always change it. Click on that ink option. You have the option to choose any color that you like. Gray, orange, pink, yellow, green. Not only lets you change the color, but it also changes the color of the background that's behind the picture. One of the things that I love as well is the gradient. A lot of professionals love to use gradient colors. And the fact that it gives you that option, it is perfect. And on the bottom, you could also choose from extract colors. If you have a specific color that you have in mind, you could always choose from the RGB. You could always reset everything, but I'm gonna leave it like that. The fourth option is to add shadows. That's for your personal preference. Click on that circle right there. Shadow 1, shadow 2. If I pick a yellow color, the shadow shows up even more. You know, the shadow is more noticeable when you choose a lighter color. Like I said, this is your personal preference. You don't have to add any shadow. The last option is the undo button, right? I'm going to just upload it once again. Now I'm just gonna select one. I actually like this very much. It's like so simple. That eye icon is actually a preview button. Since you're already looking at the picture already, you don't really need to preview it. If you click on it, it's just going to show you how it looks on social media. When you're ready to download your picture, you have two options. You could either download it as a square image or you could download it as a circle image. Me personally, if I'm going to use it as a profile picture, I'm going to click on that one. Voila, that's how it looks. If I choose the other one, the square one, that's how it would look. So if you watch this entire video, might as well subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell because I have a lot of videos similar to this coming up. And my question for you is, once you customize your picture using this tool, what social media platform will you be posting the picture on? And since we're already talking about pictures, I created a video that talks about what websites you can go to where you will find free stock images. So my name is Edgy. I'll see you soon.